Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funke and today I'm going to show you how to cook vermicelli noodles like a pro. Before we dive in, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken breast, thinly sliced carrots, yellow, green and red bell peppers, chopped onions, salt, seasoning cube, curry powder, garlic and ginger, sesame oil, soy sauce, and of course, rice sticks. You can check the rest of the ingredients in the description box below. Start by seasoning your chicken breast with salt and dark soy sauce. You can also use any herbs or spices of your choice to season your chicken. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined, then let it marinate in the fridge for about an hour. Place the rice sticks in a bowl, then pour some hot water over them and let them soak for about 2 minutes. Once they are soft, drain, rinse with cold water and set aside. If you're a beginner, I would recommend you use warm water for this instead of hot water so that you don't end up with a soggy rice stick. In a pan, you're going to heat up some vegetable oil and fry the marinated chicken on low heat until fully cooked. Once they are done, you're going to remove them and set them aside. In the same pan, add a bit of sesame oil, then add the chopped onions, ginger and garlic. Saute for a minute, then toss in the sliced bell peppers and carrots. Stir well to combine. Now add in your rice sticks. Season with light soy sauce, oyster sauce and curry powder, and mix everything together thoroughly until they are well combined. And once well combined, you're going to add the cooked chicken back into the pan. Sprinkle a little salt and seasoning cube, then give it one final good mix. And that's it. I've made a delicious plate of vermicelli noodles. Super easy and absolutely tasty. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.